awesome. Awesome. That's really catchy, man. A society so awesome that the first time we organized an MUN, Ishan Kar Bhuvan. And only because he entered the wrong classroom. They are seriously, we organize an MUN, we say, आओ हम तुम्हारी लेंगे, कोई नहीं आता, हम कहते हैं आओ रोस्ट कर जाओ हम खुद की लेंगे, और ये देखो सब आ गए, गलत बात है पता है? And so starting the show that you guys are eagerly waiting for, we have 5 marshmallows who are going to be roasted today. These are the guys, and we also have one DJ and me, the roast master, Nataraj. So we have Vedant Maheshwari, the official Ingenuity marshmallow. स्माइल देखो लौंडे का भाई 420 रुपए वापस कर दे टी-शर्ट के इंजेनिटी 2 महीने हो गए दे दे पता है जब 420 अमाउंट था ना तभी मेरे को लगा था कुछ ना कुछ तो गड़बड़ है क्या है एनीवेज नेक्स्ट वी हैव अ चुबाका स्टंट डबल रोहन मेहंदिरत्ता द along with Pratik Bhorgati, the Devdas marshmallow. Guys, I request you to please clap for him. She didn't come even today, even if he's getting roasted. She wouldn't come even if he's getting roasted. It's very, very sad. And of course, we have our big marshmallow, Abhinav Tripathi. For those of you who don't know what baked means, Abhinav has a really nice hobby. He loves to put on aprons, going on, cooking brownies. He would have even sold some in anyone. We can't even sell Maggie. UG2 Maggie Point, we really miss you. Love you. Finally, we have Rajat Rai, our beloved Rajat Rai. A huge round of applause. The friend-zoned marshmallow. That gets his heart broken and then goes to Dunkin' Donuts. Finally, we have our Bihari DJ, Vivek Bose, a guy whose iTunes playlist makes a better DJ than Baljeet Singh Bajwa. So let me call on stage our first roaster, Vedant Maheshwari. Vedant Maheshwari is the official Ingenuity marshmallow. And for those of you who didn't know this, he's the only guy on campus who would plagiarize for a fest named Ingenuity. This is what he did. The guy who has his look ripped off from Harry Potter. Please welcome Vedant Maheshwari.
Okay guys, we have an announcement to make. All the people who want to take part in the event happening... Okay wait, Ingenuity is over. Anyway, Nataraj, I may be the official Ingenuity marshmallow, but जिस घर का पत्थर बना के बनाया गया हो और उसी घर से तुम्हें निकाल दिया जाए You all know the reason why Nataraj is so black, don't you? He tried way too hard to get back into Ingenuity and then got burned. Nataraj is so fat and Nataraj is so black. He saw a photo of Mark Henry and asked his mother, "Mummy, ye papa hai kya?" About the pants, everyone has been asking me, why we are wearing these pants, we call them Joker pants. But Nataraj, he calls it the secret to his virginity. 100% contraception guaranteed.
Forever alone, dude.
Okay, talking about jokers, we have Pratik Bhorgati / Patrick's comedian / नाम जितने भी रख लो, लड़की तो ऐसे भी नहीं मिलेगी. He is a sentimental guy of the highest order, and the chances of him getting a girl are as high as of him getting a good photograph. Anyway, as I had the prestigious job of actually introducing him to the audience today, I thought why not go senti on him myself and start with some shairi in Hindi for Shubham Bharti and in English for the rest. Here's the first one. जिसका हर लड़की फूटिया काटे, जिसका हर लड़की फूटिया काटे, नाम है उसका प्रतीक बोल कभी सैंडल कभी चप्पल और कभी चाटे कभी सैंडल कभी चप्पल और कभी चाटे ये सब कौन खाता है अपना बंदा प्रतीक बोल खाते हैं दोस्तों को पिलाए चाय लड़कियों को एक्सपेंसिव लाटे दोस्तों को पिलाए चाय लड़कियों को एक्सपेंसिव लाटे तू कैसा कंजूस है साले प्रतीक बोल खाते एंड फॉर द वन इन इंग्लिश 180 degrees is pi radian 180 degrees is pi radian you didn't know that did you dumbass comedian so there was one time I was talking to Prateek and Prateek comes up to me and tells me Vedant you know liking that girl was a mistake Prateek if you want to know about mistakes ask your parents okay tell me guys what is the difference between a professional photographer and a large pizza can feed a family of 4 Prateek, all right, I'll put a hold on to it and I'll ask you one simple question you can, get roasted by the others. If you saw a person drowning and you had to choose between saving the person's life or taking a photograph, which aperture would you use? Okay, talking about people drowning, we have one guy here who's almost going to drown in his own hair. Rohan Mehndiratta. Every time I see you, my mind goes back to the zoo that I went to when I was a child. I think of the chimpanzees, I think, bhai bhai mil gaya, bhai bhai.
Thanks, brother, for being there. Thanks, brother, for being there.
You, my friend, are so hairy. You don't have butts, you have coconuts. Anyway, stop laughing so hard you shed your hair. No. Anyway, if we were to if Rohan was to ever star in an English movie, it would be called Harry Potter. But before we forget, we all know that Rohan has a talent that he really likes to rap about. Rap. But Rohan, we don't give a crap. It goes on. Anyway, you know what is the difference between Rohan Mehndiratta and a Kit Kat rapper? A Kit Kat rapper at least raps something good. So last night I was sitting up preparing for this and I made a list of things that are better than Rohan's rap. And I have a long list over here. McPaneer rap, McChicken rap, an Orchid scrap, the Venus flytrap, an ugly brass trap, Rajat Rai faps. Okay. Next up, we have that bald head bobbing around right there. Abhinav! थोड़ा अच्छे से बॉल्ड होता तो अभी नाश्ता खा लेता है. Anyway, what is the similarity between Abhinav Tripathi and vegetable grating? They both are better when they are baked. Having said that, Tripathi, I have to admit, you're a good friend of mine, and personally, as a well-wisher, I'd recommend one thing to you. When you shave your face, not your head. That shiny head, if it were a little flatter, it would be a mosquito helipad right there. By the looks of it, Tripathi is on his way to Breaking Bad really, really soon. All he needs is a bad job, a disabled son, and a nagging wife. No, you're not getting the chemistry PhD. Anyway, only once did Abhinav Tripathi pay attention in Swami Sir's class. You know what lesson it was? Hashing. Now, one last one. Do you know why Tripathi went and joined Vivida? Because it's full of bongs. Coming back to the epic finale of the evening, a guy who laughs like a puppy and also is treated by the girls like one. He's the reason. He is the reason people like Himesh Reshamya get away with the kind of music that they made. And he is also the reason we were almost thrown out of Bits Pilani. I'll tell you how. Debate finals going on. Okay, very tense moment. NIIT University may just win. Suddenly Rajat ka phone bajta hai. Tera, 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 suno. You know what is the difference between Rajat and a calendar? A calendar has dates. The only way Rajat will ever hook up with a girl, if he's wagging his tail, has a collar and is saying woof woof. Okay, no offense to all the dog lovers over here, but Rajat, come on. Anyway, that's it for me tonight. Thank you guys.
पता है प्लेगरिज्म की भी हद होती है. मैं इंजीनियरिंग के पहले काला नहीं था. मतलब इंजीनियरिंग में आके रोज के काला होना, बिल्कुल हर चीज की क्रेडिट ले लेना. सब तूने किए.
Natraj, when is his birthday? Bal Divas.
That was really bad. But yeah, we now have. But yeah, we now have our hairy marshmallow Rohan Mehndiratta, guys. The guy is so hairy that he resembles Anil Kapoor, except for the talent, money, fame, charm, and 10 other words that idiot do not understand.
Hi everyone, I'm Rohan and apparently I'm the hairy marshmallow. काटेगी क्या? I'm sorry Vedant, but you didn't do a very good job here. Let me show you how the highly intellectual hairy people do it. Abhinav Tripathi. Sorry bro, not even close. I once went up to him and asked him that why did he decide to go bald and why did he never grow up his hair ever again. He was like, bro, aerodynamics. Abhinav, I know you're a senior and a good friend and all, but please don't ever come and ask me for my hair ever. This is my property. By the way, I hope your head doesn't slide off. The pillow doesn't slide off your head when you're lying on the bed. This bed brings me to Patrick's. Dude, does the bed even realize that you're on it when you're lying on it? I hope the same thing doesn't happen to you when you're celebrating your Suhagra. Oh wait, you need to be able to get married for that. Pratik Borkhate, aka Patrick's comedian. Mr. Comedian, I'm sorry, but the only funny thing about you is your love life. Patrick's hair is so thinny that he needs a cotton stuffed bra to be able to cast his shadow. To be able to cast his shadow of his chest. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the mayor of Friend Zone here, Rajat Rai. Raju! Dude, I would love to make so many jokes on you, but bye, you already are one. Rajat is so deep into the Friend Zone that he needs, that when he finally graduates out of it, the only zone he's going to graduate into is the gay zone. It's okay bro, you can always take time out with yourself. Okay Rajat, the only time a girl will ever say I love you to you will be when you're having a gun and she's at gunpoint and she just doesn't want to die right now. And she would be having an Adam's apple. Which brings me to Vedant Maheshwari. Vedant, I created a new word just for you. It's called plagiarism.
So original.
Copy that. You know the funny thing is, oh wait, it's copied. What the hell, dude? You copied it again. Vedant Maheshwari is such a big fan of plagiarism that when musicians decide to upload a cover of a song on the internet, all he sees, they need a handwritten recommendation of Vedant Maheshwari to upload it.
Which he does from a photocopy machine.
Vedant, be careful next time. Copyright issues now, man. Yo, Natraj, roast master, you big fat nigga. Nigga. For the love of God, don't you get bigger than your figure. Natraj here is so big and so huge that when he takes a selfie, all he sees is a big black square on the phone. Then he goes around and asks Patrick, dude, please tell me a good filter. And Patrick obviously has no answer and starts crying. I guess Adobe Photoshop crashes when he decides to artificially make it whiter, and then he loses hope and uploads #racist softwares. I guess being hated rather than being Natraj has its own advantages. At least I can change my color between black and white whenever the hell I want. Now before he gets sent again, he starts crying again. Patrick's other way. Sent in your terror.
No dude, being black has its own advantage. Haven't you heard the term, once you go black, you never go back? But yeah, next we have a guy known for his steamy relation of running behind her. A guy who got his heart broken and his wallet broken even more. The guy who is so senti that when he goes to the gym, he works on his menstrual cycles. Guys, please give it up for Pratik Gurgate!
Raj Bharadwaj. I'm sorry, I'm not gay. That's all of you. Okay. So all of you can see Natraj is really very fat, but it's like whenever someone calls him fat, he cuts himself a piece of cake. You know, Natraj is so ugly that there was this one time when your dad dropped you over here and he was fined 5,000 for it. Because he was littering the campus. And the litter campaign, you're just one Natraj away from an A. Oh, he's like a shooting star, except for that he's fat, brown and on the ground. Okay, Abhinav Tripathi, guys! Abhinav Tripathi! Okay. There was this one time when he was taking a shower. Rajat, hold your horses, don't ask me how. Okay. So there was this one time when he was taking a shower and he got brainwashed. And he was supposed to laugh at us. The script said audience laughs here like a meme. Okay, sorry. Okay, Trips, is this true that you were once so big that you tried scaling Mountain Dew? Okay, oh, what happens when you have two Tripathis? You take their heads and put them together. They form an ass. Okay. So all of you have heard about No Shave November? Naughty Tripathi! Except you should have applied it somewhere else. Yeah. Oh. Okay, so all of you have heard about No Shave November. Rohan Mehndiratta is the only reason why people have come up with please shave December. Okay, so what happens if Rohan ever runs out of dental floss? He looks down, pulls one, uses it. Rohan is so dumb that there was this one time he was caught masturbating to a National Geographic magazine. You know, he still is confused. Was that moment embarrassing for him or his dentist? Okay, Rohan, I would have loved to insult you more, but I'm sorry, I cannot compete against nature. I'm really sorry. Okay, So, oh, Vedant Maheshwari. See, I'm broke. I need to go to the stud corps Avengers movie. Please give me my money back. Please. $420, please. You want to point at someone?
You can go ahead.
Okay.
You're not getting the money. It's not gonna happen.
Roses are red. Your blood is too. You look like a monkey and belongs in a zoo. And you belong in a zoo. Do not worry, I'll be there too. Not in the cage, but laughing at you. This is hashtag Vedant certified. Okay. So, Vedant, I am really jealous of you. You know, you have 10 times more chicks than I'll ever have in my life. Vivek, what is 10 times 0?
0.
Okay. A huge round of mellow applause for Rajat Rai. Look at that smile, the only white thing on his body.
काला वाला कुछ ना होता भाई, यो सब होता सफेद ही है।
Scientists have been trying to prove that two things exist in this world. First, the Big Bang Theory. Second, Rajat's penis. He is so deep into friend zone that every time a girl feels like doing something stupid, he's like, "I'm stupid to me." Rajat, I'm really very sorry. I'm really sorry for everything. I don't know why people make fun of you. Look at you. You're so dark and handsome. Oh, I'm sorry I read it wrong. Well, it's dark. You're handsome. Rose Master.
We now have a humble guy from a joint family. A guy who loves his nature and greenery. A guy who has both trips and party in his name. Guys, please welcome Abhinav Tripathi!
Hello guys, what's up? This is Abhinav. And I'm really happy I don't feel so left out today. Hi Prashant. So, Rohan Mehndiratta, guys. Whoa, black people. So, we have Rohan Mehndiratta over here, guys, the hairy guy. You know, see, no excitement, Rohan, nobody knows you. You know, I'd say a 2-minute silence for all the flies that died in his hairy chest. Wait, we're in NU, I meant bees. I'm telling you, those things are everywhere. You know, have you seen Planet of the Apes? Looking at Rohan, it seems to be a possible future. You know, an ape speaking English, taking education and shit. Patrick's comedian, guys. Pratik बहुत घाटे है. बेचारा भी बहुत घाटे में है. Patrick, let me ask you, what's common between your love life and your photography?
Nothing.
They've both got negatives, dude. Vodafone pug, right? That little dog which roamed around that chick all the time. Pratik! Patrick, comedian, photographer. He wanted to be a nude photographer, but he couldn't pull it off. You know why? Each time he went for it, the girls were like, Pratik, please put your clothes back on. Rajat Rai over here, guys. I don't know, man, you're too black. His batchmates call him Chuha. Only we know it has a TI in the middle. You know, it goes like Rajat's mom, she's so lazy. When she wanted a son, she called Vedant. Wait, that's not the joke. You know what Vedant did? He took Natraj and put him through a Xerox machine. Vedant Maheshwari, guys, our original plagiarizing basket. You know, this guy's an innovation expert. But I'll tell you what, this guy's so lonely. Each time he wants to masturbate, he goes in front of the mirror and goes like, Hey Vedant, knock knock.
Who's there?
Nobody does, nobody's a friend. You know, Vedant is so blind, his glasses are thicker than Rajat's dick.
Why did you see that?
You don't want to know that. And now for the roast master, guys. Nataraj, dude, I don't know how to roast you. You already seem roasted. You know, if in a parallel universe, Nataraj was a Pokemon, he would be the evolved version of Rajat. Notice their names have the same alphabets too. And that Pokemon, you know what it will be typed? Yeah, you know it. It will be fat and black. So yeah, this was fun. Thank you guys.
Come on guys, another round of applause for Abhinav Tripathi. Finally, the last and the least. We have a guy so deep in the friend zone. His natural habitat is a space between girlfriend and girlfriend. The man who spent his entire last night with his ex, Box 360. Please welcome Rajat Rai.
Swag bye. So, thank you for that wonderful introduction, my evolved version. So, thank you.
Let's go, dude. I don't mind.
What's up, people? As you know what, this is Rajat Rai. नाम तो सुना ही होगा. और नाम नहीं तो अभी तक काम तो सुन ही लिया होगा. Well, Rohan said something about me being gay zone. भाई मेरे से ज़्यादा saucy relationship तो आपका है. देखिए देखिए. अरे भाई लाइट ऑफ कर दे. छोड़ जो. Okay. Rohan's hair has been the butt of all jokes, and in some cases, his butt is the joke. Thank you for that wonderful thing. Thank you for that. Well, Rohan has so much of hair in his body, like so much of hair, that even his nipples have afros now.
You must know.
He's such a hairy fellow that even the chimpanzees in the zoo got scared of him. Rohan, after looking at you now, I know the reason why bestiality is banned. And for all the people, and Saksham, since you didn't understand that, bestiality means जानवर के साथ संभोग, if you know what that means. Well, since we are talking about hair, I would love to talk about Tripathi, who's so popular. No, so popular about. Sorry, he'll be popular after today's roast at least. So yeah, Tripathi, for normal human beings, we have two kinds of hairstyles: parted and unparted. And for people like you and Swami sir, we have departed. Departed is a word with. Departed reminds me of someone who has heard everything departed. Okay, we're not making a joke on her, Patrick's. And finally, a relationship joke is not on me. Don't feel bad about it. Yeah, so I always wonder, like, how come a photographer like